Nucypher is a cryptographic system that gives a security and protection layer for decentralized applications and public blockchain networks. Nucypher empowers engineers to store, share, and oversee private information across various blockchains while allowing designers to delegate data across a few applications. Nucypher is an Ethereum-based network that includes a decentralized key administration framework, encryption, and access control administration that settle the issues of putting away and controlling data. The businesses, for example, banking and medical services areas that arrangement with an immense volume of subtleties influence the benefits of Nucypher protection encryption frameworks. The Nucypher network was helped to establish by Michael Egorov and Maclane Wilkeson in 2015. The two fundamental innovation administrations given by Nucypher incorporate unique access control and mystery the board. Dynamic access control restrictively awards and disavows admittance to delicate information. Those secret administration framework stores delicate data like passwords and confidential keys. This is accomplished with the assistance of Umbrel and Ursula. Previous is the encryption plan of Nucypher and later is an organization of working hubs. Umbrel assists with keeping the information secretly and share it without taking a chance with its security. Here the proprietors will furnish unscrambling freedoms to the collectors with the assistance of intermediary hubs. This intermediary hub is called Ursula, which plays out the re-encryption for the beneficiaries. Ursula doesn't approach information, however they perform encryption by applying conditions. Ursula stake Nu to continue with network exercises and get recently mined tokens. Nucypher specialized investigation. The verifiable value diagram of Nucypher is fascinating. Nucypher took off fundamentally on October 15, 2021, on the event of the main commemoration of the coin. The consolidation news from the group reinforced the flood. The white paper of Nucypher was distributed in 2017, and the token began exchanging 2020. After the new cost flood, the market valuation of the coin climbed multiple billion USD, and it was a similar period altcoin market cap contacted around $2 billion. Besides, after this Nucypher cost made a spike, the interest for new coins in the digital money market expanded. Financial backers are pondering the purpose for the Nucypher cryptographic money rush. The new cost activity had occurred around the same time when the coin was recorded with Upbit, one of the renowned cryptographic money trades in Korea. Nucypher cost today is exchanging at 48 cents with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $46,651,755.09. The market cap is $342,736,514.25, with a flowing inventory of 703 million new. The everything time high is set apart at $3.58 on October 15, 2021. The unsurpassed low is 6 cents, which was on Nov 2020. The ongoing cost is around 79%, not exactly the greatest cost, and it is because of the selling tension after the unequaled high. Overflowing interest has gradually gone to a pullback in costs. The present cost and volume plunge contrasted with the earlier days. Specialized examination of Nucypher Nu shows that, following 1 year of sideways moves, Nu has unexpectedly soared and was moved by tremendous volume in October. The Flame's initial cost of Nucypher was 28 cents. And the end cost of Nucypher was $1.40, significantly more. October 2021 was the month when the BTC and altcoin market was extra strong, and the crypto market saw a colossal market cap appreciation. Therefore, many coins heightened to a record-breaking high. Nucypher Nu cost uncovered a winding down regrettable force on the day-to-day graph by making more promising low points. There is a dropping example in the pattern line, as displayed in the diagrams. Nucypher cost has stayed driven by bad opinions throughout the previous 2 months, debilitating the pattern. However, financial backers have trust for the coin's future. They haven't begun gathering the symbolic now because of the new cost sink. Specialized examination shows Nucypher Nu settled underneath the center line of the Bollinger Band, and the Bollinger Band is pressing. On equilibrium, volume pointer was in a downtrend. It has moved evenly for the last week. The distinction between the opening and shutting Nu cost of the Flame is extremely low. And exchanging volume close. Truth be told, swing merchants are additionally losing interest in Nucypher Nu. At the hour of composing, Nu exchanged on the turn. Quick help is put at 44 cents, and any Nucypher cost drop from this might look for help at 42 cents. Underneath 42 cents, merchants can sell Nucypher, and it will contact 39 cents. On the opposite side, close by obstruction is set at 55 cents, and there is an obstruction after that at 70 cents. The significant obstruction is set at 80 cents. In the wake of examining the significant specialized markers, MACD is attempting to cross the sign line, however has not affirmed any heading. RSI is 56.41. The ongoing cost is over 20 mA. And the ongoing cost is under 50 mA and 200 mA. like BTC and ETH have been getting green for the last exchanging meetings of the ongoing week after a down move. To summarize the specialized examination of Nucypher, impressive frustration actually exists toward the coin. In any case, the strength of the negative pattern has descended, and most specialized pointers are pursuing for a pattern inversion. Selling strain in Nu has been diminished. Ideally, there will be slow and solid vertical energy. Financial backers can sit tight for pattern affirmation on one or the other side from this nonpartisan sign. Forceful merchants can search for a swing exchange at the ebb and flow level with a little stop misfortune and a little benefit. An unmistakable breakout in pattern is supposed to affirm inside a couple of additional exchanging meetings. Master's interpretation of Nucypher conjecture. In June, Nucypher declared its consolidation with Keep. Both are decentralized encryption networks, so they chose to couple the basic convention and push forward with isolated strategies. The consolidation is named Keanu, and it has a ton of online entertainment consideration. At any rate, financial backers are bullish on the eventual fate of this least secure resource class. Nucypher made a tremendous energy in the market last year, and the interest for the coin flooded, particularly from a drawn-out venture viewpoint. Specialists say current negative feelings and pullback are typical selling tension after the vertical pattern, and it will recuperate soon. Nucypher, because of the essentials of the organization and the utilization instances of the token, has a decent long-haul procuring possible in the future according to the figures. Designers are bullish over the organization's future development, and the guide is good to go. The undertaking is looking forward to additional organizations and anticipating a splendid and demandable future. At the point when the venture is set for the race, the local symbolic won't be disregarded. Taking a gander at significant expectation sites, for example, wallet financial backer and well-known different conjectures, Nu might arrive at back to 70 cents soon. It will give a decent revisitation of financial backers so Nu lovers can contribute on the plunge. According to our Nucypher estimate, a drawn-out expansion in the worth is expected. The cost conjecture for the year 2027 proposes the worth may be around $1.99. Putting resources into new virtual monetary standards could turn out to be an incredible expansion to your portfolio. In a 5-year figure according to our examination and forecasts, the greatest cost is supposed to be $8.69 with a base exchanging esteem, and the typical exchanging cost to be roughly $7.14 and $7.35. Nucypher value expectation 2022. New coin value expectation is expected to start at 80 cents. The future cost might tumble to 65 cents toward the finish of 2022. Subsequently, the typical cost is anticipated at 63 cents. Nucypher Coin Forecast 2023. Nucypher Crypto Cost Forecast guess a beginning at 70 cents. New value forecast is slowly going up and is supposed to hit 87 cents inside the primary quarter. Nucypher Coin Cost Forecast predict an end at 74 cents constantly end. Nucypher Value Forecast 2024. Nucypher forecasts are expected to open at 85 cents and proceed with the earlier year's pattern. The year's underlying